I know a lot of people are optimistic about work from home jobs, but in this particular time now, in this particular period that we are in, work from home jobs right now are very lucrative. In fact, there are a lot of companies right now who are employing people to work from home. So if you were one of those individuals that from before the crisis, you already established a work from home job, in this period of time right now, you're supposed to be way up top in terms of financial stability, in terms of mental stability. But for the people who don't know what work from home jobs entitle or how to get started or that sort, well, today we're going to talk about it, and we're going to show you guys how you can get started with a work from home jobs, and even show you some companies right now who are employing right now for work from home. So if you are a stay-home mama, stay-home dad, or just somebody who want to make additional income, I think everybody want to make additional income, especially in this period of time. Here at Avibes, we are one family. We might come from different ethnic groups, different races, different religions, different places in time, but the main thing we have in common is that we are one family. And in my country, Jamaica, we have a motto where it goes like, out of many one people, which state that it don't matter where you're from, we are one people. We have the same blood. We might have different colors, different skin tone, different hair, different eyes, and so forth, but we all have one blood. That's what we all have in common. And what has been going on for these past months is something that we got to look at. And even though we talk about this in the past, and I don't want to go in detail right now and talk about the virus, because a lot of channels right now is already talking about it, is already debating about it, and we don't want to go in depth of that on this channel, because as YouTube algorithm will have it, we have to keep it clean, we have to keep it positive. So that's what we're doing. So how can we help? We don't know how can we help. That's the big question. So you guys have to tell us in the comment section. Tell us, how can we help? How can we help you? How can we get through this together as a family? But with that said, I think I can share a little information with you guys in order to get you guys up to speed or up grasp of things that you can do at this particular time. So as we all know, a lot of companies now are closing in, a lot of people now are being unemployed. A lot of companies also have requested that people start to work from home. Even our prime minister, our president issue commands that we should stay at home. If you're not an essential worker, practically you have to stay at home and do your work. In recent times, I talk about a company called Bebo Global Solution. Well, this company has been around for a number of years. Particularly what this company does is it teaches individuals all around the world who don't know English to incorporate it in their traditional, to make English a secondary language. And you might say that, oh, I don't have a teaching degree or I'm not good in English language. But that's not the case. If you just have the basic knowledge, basic principles of English, you know, to speak English properly. Because in Jamaica, our language, we have a Creole language called Patois. And we also have English, which is our traditional language also. But in Patois, we talk like, let me give you a phrase. You said, where you come from? Where you come from? That simple meaning in English term, where are you from? So in China, they might have a different language, but in English, translate it's more simpler. So to get started, all you got to do is click on the link in the description. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can click on it, go on the site and sign up. The first thing you got to do is you got to write a short essay. And this short essay is something typical. Just write anything that comes to your mind. They just want to know if you can speak English well or you can write English well. You don't have to be very great. You don't have to put in all the punctuation marks or the exclamation or the full stop. As long as you formulate it in correct sentences where if you are reading it, you can understand. So after you're finished signing up on that page, you submit it, and they're going to send you an email. I think immediately they're going to send you an email and tell you thanks for participating. And then within 2 days or maybe 1 day, they're going to email you back and send you to the next step. So the next step entails that you're going to download Skype. And if you don't know how to create an Skype ID, your Microsoft password or your Microsoft login information is also your Skype ID. So after you finish that, you're going to send them that information, your Skype ID. Then they're going, in your Skype ID, they're going to set up an interview process. And don't get nervous right now. The interview process is really simple. All you got to do is just do like me right now. Just be yourself. Be yourself, and you're going to be talking to an individual, maybe a teacher, maybe a professor or something. But you're going to be talking to somebody else, and they're going to assess you based on the information that they have at their disposal at the moment. So it's particularly simple. They're just going to ask you some questions like what is an introvert or extrovert, or what your typical day would be like, or if a child don't understand what you're saying, what's the best way you can make that child understand. Simple things like those. I think probably just 5-minute interview, and then after that, then they're gonna send you back an email and you will know if you are successful. After that, you're going to start working. Now when you start working, you're going to create a PayPal account or a Payoneer account. So if you're in the USA, it's going to be pretty simple for you to get your payment. But if you are not in the USA and you're in other countries, then it's best if you set up a Payoneer account, which in previous video I show you guys how to set up your Payoneer account. Or if you don't know how to set up your Payoneer account, or you can't find that video, just comment in the comment section, let me know, and I will happy to assist you guys. So after you get your Payoneer account, they're gonna ship your payment to your Payoneer account, and then from there you can either get a Payoneer card, a physical card, or you can transfer it from your Payoneer account to your local bank account, and that's how you get paid. And you're ranging from, oh, I'm not supposed to disclose it, but you can get anywhere between let's say 1,000 US or 700 US per month. And you can make even way more than that. It all depends on your time period, the time that you spend doing what you do. So this opportunity is not like no one is going to demand you to put in certain time. You're your own boss. So you got to decide if you want more money, much more time you're going to invest in that particular project. Okay. That's one. Next thing I think you guys can do right now, or we can help you guys right now, is a lot of people don't know exactly how to write a resume or how to formulate a resume. What you as an individual could do, if you can do that very well, is sell your services. Sell your services to people right now who are looking elsewhere, who are looking a particular job, who don't know how to, maybe they were in a particular job for years and forgot how to write a good resume. What you can do is now is sell your services, sell your mindset, your idea. Write the resume, charge them a fee. I don't know what you would charge them, but charge them a fee, something that's in the ballpark where people can afford in this time right now. So if you even charge them, say $2 or even $5, it might sound like a little bit, but do the maths. If you have 10 persons and you charge them $5, you see how well that multiply. And if you have more than that, because what this does is, if you do a great job, then that particular individual is going to promote you without even you knowing. That particular individual is going to tell people about you. So right there, you're getting marketing exposure without even doing no work. So that's one next way. Next way we can help, and you can do this. You can go on Upworks. Yes, Upworks. You can go on Upworks, sign up as an virtual assistant. And when you sign up on a virtual assistant, there are major companies right now, insurance companies, banks, all sort of companies right now who would take advantage of a virtual assistant in this time. So if you are interested, you can go on Upwork, sign up and get started. And it pays really well. So if you're sitting there on your degree or sitting there on a particular skill, what you think you can do mentally, you can just go on there and apply. Guys, there's a lot of ways in this time where you can survive. You don't have to be sitting there right now listening to me and whooping and whatever. You can make it. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Look at me. I never thought that I would be doing YouTube videos. I never thought that I would be sitting here talking in front of a camera. I never thought. But look at me. In days goes by, you get more experience, you get more knowledge, you get more courage. And if you look at my previous videos, you can see that in this time I'm currently growing in terms of my knowledge, in terms of my emotion, in terms of my courage on camera right now. But enough about me. It's about you. And these are some ways that we can help you as an individual or help you as a group. In coming months, I'm going to be putting out a series of videos how you can start working from home, how you can invest in your time right now, how you can play it safe, and how you can gamble a good gamble on this economic times right now. So again, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening to me rumbling for the past couple of minutes. You could be anywhere. You could click off this video anytime, but you choose to be here, and I'm grateful and thankful for that. But you right now who is sitting there right now, just remember that you have greatness. You have something special. It doesn't matter the circumstances that you're going through right now. Just know that God never create any rubbish. Just know that you were made to succeed. And with that said, like this video if you like it, comment in this comment section, also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and do remember we put out new videos every single week, so stay tuned. We do business, we do personal financing, we also do investing in this video. We also teach you how you can go from point A to point B in your financial life as of right now. So stay tuned, and as I always say, save, build, inspire.